The 12-Week Transformation is the most comprehensive weight loss program on the market. Hi, I'm Paul Shana, professional boxer and owner of Empowering Punch Fitness. We took all our strengths and combined them into an all-in-one total mind, body, and metabolic transformation. We start with the fitness. Building lean muscle is imperative to any weight loss program, not only because it shapes and contours your body, but more importantly, because it speeds up your metabolism and allows your body to continue burning calories around the clock. And because accountability and motivation can be challenging, we've designed the workouts to be in small groups of 2 to 6 people. So not only do you have your own certified personal trainer as the lead, you also have a tight-knit group of peers supporting you every step of the way. In addition to your training workouts, we design a very individualized nutrition plan that's super easy to follow and includes all your favorite indulgences so that you never feel deprived. And to make it even easier, we've created 12 weeks of done-for-you meals so that you never have to stress about what to eat. We even write you a weekly roadmap so that you always know what to do and when to do it. It's literally fail-proof if you have the desire to make a change. And lastly, but absolutely most importantly, we hold weekly educational workshops on everything that you need to know how to achieve long-term sustainable weight loss. You can't manage your weight successfully if you were never taught how to do it correctly. And that's all about to change. The 12 weeks starts October 1st and ends right before Christmas, so get ready to look and feel amazing just in time for the holidays. The group sizes are small, so space is limited, and we start soon. To learn more how to get started, just click the link below, and we'll see you soon.